guys, almost 8:30 AM na, 'di ba? Medyo na late ng gising at pagpe-prepare ang mga ante nyo. So, 'yon, magpe-breakfast muna kami. Siguro dito na lang sa McDo para mabilis, tapos head na kami to Disneyland. So, samahan nyo kami guys, adventure namin today. Let's go. We're here at McDo. Malapit lang siya sa hotel namin, guys. Guest house pala. Hotel yun. Here's my breakfast. Coffee, of course. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. So, almost 9 AM na. So, pupunta na kami ng MTR station and we'll head to Disneyland.
So guys, here's the suggested route from the MTR app if you're traveling to Disneyland Resort from Yau Ma Tei MTR station. Make sure to download the MTR app for free on your phone to navigate the MTR system easily while you're in Hong Kong.
Oh my God! So, we're finally here sa may Disneyland Resort. So, ayun. Medyo kami natagalan kasi nagkanda-wala-wala pa kami talaga kanina. So, yeah, ang daming tao. And it's Saturday kasi, kaya din, ganun. So, good luck na lang talaga. And syempre, let's enjoy Disneyland! Let's go! Basta kami mag-picture doon. So, mag-aantay talaga kayo. Ngayon, World of Frozen na muna kami. Let's go! There's the castle, guys. Frozen Ever After is 40 minutes siya. Okay guys, pupunta kami sa may World of Frozen. Hahanapin muna namin siya. Kasi matagal yung wait time niya, so balak namin siyang unahin muna before yung ibang ride. So, let's go! We're good! Small world to eh. So, hindi dito. Ayun na! Wow! Ang cute. Wow!
on summer day. 我哋而家出發去安身嘅冰雪王國啦！一齊見。Saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love that thawed a frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Indeed.
We're done with Frozen Ever After, guys. Masaya siya. So, make sure na pag pupunta kayo dito, i-try nyo tong world of Frozen. Specifically, the Frozen Ever After. Matutuwa dito yung mga kids and kids at heart.
Traffic and a waste of time. You were there to hold my hand.
Ano, nag-enjoy ka ba sa world of Frozen? Doon pala sa Frozen Ever After. Yes! Yun palang yung ride sa amin. So, papunta na kami sa next. Yeah. Guys, ang ganda dito. Punta kayo dito, swear. Mag-enjoy kayo dito. Okay? Here's our next ride. Dumbo the Flying Elephant. Yan. And of course, long queue. Yes, we're done!
Isn't it just grand to say Merry Merry Christmas? Merry Merry Christmas! Merry Merry Christmas! The Christmas tree and the Christmas party
Guys, it's time for lunch. Dito kami kakain sa may Royal Banquet. Oh. Kasi we're hungry na. Dito na kami sa may Royal Banquet Hall, guys. So, hopefully naririnig nyo ako kasi medyo maraming tao ngayon. So, almost 2 p.m. na. So, yeah, ang daming tao. Tapos magla-line ka talaga in every rides. Maybe because peak season din talaga. Tsaka Saturday ngayon, guys. So, ayun.
Siguro kung pupunta kayo dito ng mga ganitong araw din, Saturday or Sunday, i-plan nyo talaga kung ano yung uunahin nyo, ano yung mga sa tingin yung rides na ipa-priority nyo versus yung mga pwedeng optional lang or hindi. So kami, yung priority namin ng mga rides, yung mga pangbata na rides. As for the ticket pala, sa Klook namin siya nabili. So yung nakuha namin is yung admission ticket lang. So, around 5K plus na siya. Ipa-flash mo na lang yung exact price dito kasi naka-tier 2 na siya since it's already Saturday. And kumuha kami ng meal voucher na lunch or dinner set plus snack na yun worth 1,300. If you can still use my code Luisa Klook, try nyo siya gamitin sa mga meal vouchers nyo or sa mga add-ons to see if it will work kasi hindi siya pwede sa admission ticket itself. So yun, nandito na yung food and we're going to eat.
Guys, here's our lunch. This is the roasted half chicken combo. May kasama na siyang drink. So ayan, pero wala nga lang siyang rice. But anyways, price siya for 165 Hong Kong dollars.
So since yung voucher namin is hanggang $160 lang, nagdagdag kami ng $5 each. So parehas lang yung food namin na kinuha ni Ellen. So yun, meron pa siyang kasamang snack na i-avail namin mamaya siguro. Got the pink mini mouse frozen lollipop. Ayan. Guys, grabe yung mga wait time. Hindi na ako tumuli dun sa may Mickey na ride. Kasi grabe, parang mga 30 minutes pa siya. Parang sayang yung oras. Download nyo pala yung Disneyland app kasi may maps doon. Tapos makikita nyo yung schedule, tsaka waiting time. Kung ako sa inyo, prioritize nyo na lang yung mga gusto yung talagang puntahan na rides. Tapos siguro mix nyo na lang with other rides na konti lang yung nasaglit lang yung wait time. Okay, let's go.
Let's check here na lang muna sa may It's a Small.
Seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you. 为了您的安全，请您自重。
Okay, punta na ako ng main street. Tapos doon naman ako mag-picture and video. Okay, let's go.
It's hard for me to be somewhere for too long. I'm always moving around. But as long as I'm on the same page as you're on, no point in slowing it down. 'Cause anywhere I'm going, you're the one I'm holding. I could be anywhere. Long as you're beside me, tied into a light. I could be anywhere. I just need you there.
We celebrate the magic of the season with a holiday wish come true tree lighting ceremony along Main Street, USA. The fun begins in just 15 minutes. See you there.
Good evening, everyone, and happy holidays! As we celebrate the magic of the season here at Hong Kong Disneyland, a very special friend has come to join us. Everyone, please welcome Santa Goofy! Wow, welcome Santa Goofy! Have you come to help us light up our holiday tree? Oh, Goofy, you brought a magical holiday wand that's going to help us light up the tree!
Everyone, we need
Santa Goofy, we did it! Because of you, all of our wishes will come true.
Ourselves a merry little Christmas.
Let your heart be light.
Hey everyone, I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Nathan.
My name is Amelia.
And I'm Sean. As we celebrate the magic of the holidays here at Hong Kong Disneyland, please enjoy the holiday magic that our good friend Santa Goofy will create.
It is this magic that reminds one and all to cherish the magic of the season. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go.
Please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Sing the final.
Bad traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405. Since you said it's my last chance. But you've been asking about me. If I tried though.
Weak spot inside these spots. Check this out.
大家注意，出街站车的进程设置。
Next, let's go here sa may Iron Man experience.
Travis Expo 8, you are cleared for takeoff.
歡迎各位，今日嘅旅程啟動燃反應能源器。
Stand by, the launch door has
當
malfunctioned.
射門棘住咗，發射集束激光下，
Not the Unipede!
打爛咗道門，唔好意思。各位乘客，前面就係史達大樓，呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先生所發明最強勁嘅燃反應能源器。呢個燃反應能源器可以燃。 立即接放閉路電視。
What's up, buddy? I'm busy here at the expo, hanging with my people.
史達先生 ，Hydra 想偷走大樓嘅熱反應能源
Okay,
器。
fine. Wait. What? Hydra wants my arc reactor? Get out of there, Jarvis. I'm on my way.
收到，即刻翻去科技線。
You need to lose some weight there, buddy.
唔該晒，史達先生。飛行穩定器回復正常。
Just to be clear.
Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now we're a whole new world. A dazzling glimpse I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. And now I'm in a whole new world. All at once, everything is different. Now that I see. Love the memory.
Yay! We're done! So magical, guys! What a magical day!
It's almost 11 p.m. and at this point, sobrang pagod na kami guys. So para makabalik kami sa Mongkok where our accommodation is located, we took the Disneyland Resort line from Disneyland Resort to Sunny Bay Station. Then we transferred at Platform 2 for a train toward Hong Kong. From there, we rode the Tung Chung line, interchange at Lai King Station Platform 2 and took the Chuen Wan line to Yau Ma Tei Station. It took us almost 40 minutes para makabalik lang kami sa may Yau Ma Tei Station.
It's our day 3 here sa Hong Kong. So, ngayon, magmamakao kami today. So, siguro hanggang gabi. Depende pa sa oras. Pero, before kami pumunta ng port papuntang Macau is mag-breakfast muna kami sa Kamwa Cafe siguro. Siguro magta-taxi na lang kami papunta doon kasi lagi kami naliligaw every time na hinahanap namin yung cafe na yon. So, yeah guys, samahan nyo kami sa adventure namin today. Let's go!
We're finally here at Kamwa Cafe in Mongkok. This is actually a traditional Cha-Cha Anteng or Hong Kong style cafe. We ordered their battered French toast, which is a must try, their hot coffee, and pineapple bun. All for 97 Hong Kong dollars for 2 packs. After our breakfast, we tried to look for a bus going to HZMB Port around the area kasi wala kaming makitang bus or any bus station going to our destination. So for us not to waste more time, we just went to Mongkok MTR East Station and took the train going to Mongkok Station. From there, make sure na mag-exit kayo sa Exit C kasi paglabas nyo, meron na doong sakayan ng bus going to HZMB Port.
Sakay tayo ng bus A21 going to Hong Kong Port of Macau. Guys, update. So, 11:27 na ng umaga. So, nakasakay na kami ng bus A21 going to HZMB Port. So, yeah, pupunta na kami ng Macau by bus lang. So, yung fare dito is 34.64 ata siya, Hong Kong dollar. Turuan namin kayo kung paano kayo makapunta ng Macau by bus lang din. So yeah, let's go!
Now, from Hong Kong International Airport, take the bus B4 going to HZMB Port. Fare is only 9 Hong Kong dollars each. Please note that they only accept Octopus card or cash payment options. If you will be paying in cash, bring the exact amount since no change is given. We're finally here at HZMB Port. We didn't expect na ganito karami yung mga kasabay namin, guys. Aside from it's Sunday, meron palang sports event sa Macau ngayon.
We're done with immigration, guys. Mabilis lang din naman. Ngayon, papunta na kami sa may bilihan ng bus ticket going to Macau. Macau Port. Tayo here. Okay. Macau. Yan. Good thing lang dito, guys, is marami namang mga bus. So, hindi naman kayo mauubusan dito, even if maraming passengers. Yan, guys, 65 Hong Kong dollars yung fare papuntang Macau Port. So, pwede kayo magbayad using your GoTimes card, Octopus, or cash. Let's go to Macau!
Traffic ain't a waste of time. When you were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right.
Welcome to Macau!
Pag-exit nyo, guys, ng Macau Port, makikita nyo naman kagad yung mga bus na pwede nyong sakyan dito. So, since it's already 2:30 PM, we decided na sa Taipa area na lang kami ng Macau mag-e-explore. To go there, sakay lang kayo ng free shuttle buses ng mga casino sa Taipa, like yung Parisian or Venetian buses, depende sa unang location na gusto nyong puntahan.
Okay, guys, so make sure na bumaba kayo sa first bus stop kapag sasakay kayo na the Parisian bus kasi yan yung sa the Venetian, which is here. So ito yung magiging unang destination namin dito, tapos dito na rin kami magla-lunch. So let's go! Guys, almost 3 PM na pala. So, yeah, dito muna kami sa may Macau, Taipa. So, ito yung mga mostly casinos dito. So, tatlo lang yung explore namin dito. Yung The Venetian,
Parisian tsaka yung Londoner. So magkakatabi lang naman sila. So perfect na dito muna kayo mauna sa Venetian. Especially if kakain kayo. And if you have other time, pwede nyo pa rin namang i-explore yung ibang casinos or hotels dito sa may Taipa area. Tapos later pupunta kami naman ng Outer Macau. So let's go! Pupunta tayo dito guys sa may food court. Ngayon, ito yung mga kainan na pwede natin kainan. Very Venice style. May team lab din pala dito guys. Pwede kayo mag-purchase ng ticket sa group ng sa team lab na activity dito. Tapos gamitin nyo na lang yung code ko na Luisa Club for extra discounts. I think dito na kami guys kakain sa may Sadap Singapore. Let's check their food. Ano sa'yo? Ano order mo? We'll order this one. Sliced beef pepper rice. Grabe guys, ang daming tao dito sa may food court ng The Venetian Mall. So, madami din siguro kasing tourists. And actually, kaya ang daming taong kasabay namin kanina guys, papunta dito sa may Macau. May event kasi sila. Para siyang sports event, if I'm not mistaken. Kaya ang daming tao. Tapos ang dami ding group tours na pumupunta dito. So, yeah, and it's Sunday. So, yun, asahan nyo rin talaga na kapag ganito, baka sobrang daming tao din. So, make sure na if you have enough time, siguro, punta kayo dito ng maaga pa. Kasi kami, late na talaga kami nag-start. Kasi nga, yung unang 2 days namin, sobrang aga namin gumising para lang mag-tour. So, nag-take muna kami ng a little bit of rest. Kasi kagabi, late din kami nakabalik. Mga umaga na rin kami nakabalik ng hotel galing Disneyland. Kaya, ayun, pahinga-hinga din muna. So, hanggang gabi na lang kami dito para at least ma-explore pa rin naman namin yung Macau. And of course, syempre, first order of business, kumain muna tayo. Kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Nag-breakfast pa lang kami kaninang umaga sa Hong Kong. And gutom na kami. So, before tayo mag-explore, kumain muna tayo. Okay? Here's our food, guys. Ayan. Umorder kami ng iced tea. They're worth $25 siya. Ayan. Let's eat. By the way guys, dito sa food court ng The Venetian Mall, they do accept Hong Kong dollars as payment. But make sure to ask first if that resto or shop accepts HKD or Macanese Pataka or the MOP, which is yung currency nila as form of payment to avoid any inconvenience.
That's actually a fake ulam guys.
Okay, we're here na sa may Gondola Street. Ayan. Oh.
Parang sa may Venice Piazza lang. Ayan guys, yun yung sky. That's actually a fake sky lang. Tapos nandito lang siya sa may loob ng mall. Wow. Yeah, nice place na din.
We're done here guys sa may The Venetian. So, pumunta naman kami ng The Londoner. Let's go.
There's the famous IG spot, guys, dito sa part na to. Ayan. Pwede rin kayo mag-take ng picture and video dito sa part na to. And yeah, labas tayo kasi maraming tao. May pila. Okay. Wow. And there's the picture. It's raining. Okay. Another photo spot, guys. Yung backdrop natin is yung Eiffel Tower. Wow. Grabe guys, parang wala tayo sa Asia. Chanel! Yung observatory. Ang ganda dito guys. So kung pupunta kayo dito sa Macau, make sure na i-visit nyo itong mga casinos dito or hotels kasi madami ditong mga Instagrammable spots na pwede nyo visitahin. O diba? Para na rin kayo pumunta ng Europe. I'm gonna go TikTok. Okay, ang ganda. Yan. Actually, guys, observatory yung nasa taas. Pwede kayo dyang sumakay. May bayad nga lang siya. Ganda. Ang ganda din niya guys kapag gabi. Ayan o. Maganda siguro dito mag hop on, hop off na night tour. Yan guys, pagpabalik na kayo, sakay lang tayo ng HMB Macau Port. Yan, balik kayo dito sa may Hotel West Lobby. Ayan, start siya ng 10:30 AM up to 21 yung bus dito. Every 10 to 15 minutes magkakaroon na ng interval ng bus. Ayan. Mag-queue na kami dito. The bus. Okay, let's go. We're back here sa may HMB Macau Port. So ayan, nabalik na kami ng Hong Kong. Dito kayo guys bumili ng ticket nyo pabalik ng Hong Kong. Tapos we will use our GoTime card again. Hindi to guys sponsored pero GoTime baka naman. Guys, you can buy your souvenirs here if in case wala kayo nabili. Beef jerseys. Let's go. Guys, so after nyo mag-immigration and customs, diretso na lang kayo dito kasi dito kayo sasakay ng bus going back to the city. Nakikita nyo naman yung 7-Eleven store dito. Guys, so we're going to take yung bus A21 pero papunta kami ng PST. Kasi kakain kami dito. So, yung magiging fare is 34.6. Ayan, make sure na bus 821 yung masakyan. So,
a few moments later.
Nandito na kami sa may TST, guys. O, hanapin na lang namin yung Ichiran Ramen kasi magda-dinner muna kami ni Ellen. Actually, late na rin. Around 10:38 na, guys. Grabe. Matagal din talaga yung biyahe from HZMB, Hong Kong, papunta dito sa may city. Umulan, kaya basa yung kalsada. Sinusundan lang namin yung Google Maps, guys. Ayan. Oh my God. World. Where Google Maps is taking you. Ano tira ba na? Yeah! Diba? Creepy niya. Grabe, Diyos ko. Hindi. Nagsusut-sut na eh. Kailan naman tumama yung Google Maps natin. Nakakakita. Okay. I think we're finally here. So, ayun guys. Dito kami lumabas na Tagusan. Ayun. Tapos, we're finally here sa may Ichiran, sa may TST. Ayan. Dito yung entrance niya. Ito yung opening and closing hours nila. Here's my order, guys. Ayan, classic tonkotsu lang tayo. Then, we will add half-boiled salted egg. Final order, guys. 128 Hong Kong dollars. I used my GoTime Visa card for payment. Yay! Arigato! Here's my ramen, guys. This is our dinner. Ayan, yung egg. And then ordered seaweed as well. Ayan siya. Mix, mix, mix. Oh. Yay! Guys, we're done here sa Ichiran Ramen and para sa akin sobrang sarap niya. Ano ma-rate natin?
10 over 10.
10 over 10, guys. Pwede nga 100 over 10. If you're someone na mahilig sa ramen, must try dito sa may Ichiran, guys. Although pricey siya, pero para sa amin kasi sulit siya eh. Tsaka ang laki ng serving din naman. So, yan. Try nyo dito. Meron siyang 3 yung branches nila. I-search nyo na lang sa Google Maps. So, meron pa palang isa sa Mongkok, guys. Hindi namin siya nakita kasi nung una parang naka-Japanese yung name niya. So, yung isa is nasa Causeway Bay, yung isa sa Mongkok. And here sa may Tsim Sha Tsui. So, yun. Di na kami dadaan doon kasi ang creepy talaga dyan, guys. Unless na lang umaga siguro. So, yun. We're just gonna walk here and look for a way para makabalik doon sa main road. And I think pwede naman dyan siguro. Let's go. Nandito na kami sa may Tsim Sha Tsui Station. Ayan. Babalik na kami ng Mongkok, guys. Try namin pumunta pa sa ladies market kasi magsa-shopping pa yung isa dito. Kayla, marami pa kasi siyang pera, guys. Hindi yung tingin lang. Huwag kayong maniwala dyan sa tingin-tingin lang. Okay. So, it's already November 25 na. Almost 8 AM na, guys. Hindi pa kami nakakatulog talaga. So, nakauwi ata kami dito mga 12
midnight na rin. Kasi close din kanina yung what do you call this, yung ladies market. Di namin alam na close na pala siya. Pumunta kami. Pero okay lang naman, malapit lang naman dito yung yun. So bukas na lang namin siya puntahan, pati yung sneaker street. I mean, mamaya pala pagkagising namin kasi last day na rin namin dito sa Hong Kong. So yun, hindi na pala kami guys pumunta kanina sa may Outer Macau. Hindi na kami nakapag Senado Square, hindi na rin kami nakapag yung ruins of St. Paul kasi unang-una late na kami nakarating ng Macau. Tapos ang haba din kasi ng biyahe, tsaka napagod na rin kami doon pa lang sa may sa may Taipa. Ayun, nagkalinda, ligaw-ligaw na kami doon sa may The Venetian Mall. Ilang beses kami guys pabalik-balik papunta doon sa may casino. Feeling talaga namin gusto na nila kaming mag-casino talaga. Pero ayun, napigilan naman ng mga persons. Char. Ayun, bumalik na lang kami kasi other than late na rin kami, sobrang ang daming tao talaga kanina. So, yung worry namin, if sobrang late pa kami aalis ng Macau, baka sobrang ang dami namin kasabay pabalik. Kasi, Sunday ngayon, feeling namin marami na rin ng mga namasyal doon ng mga taga dito sa Hong Kong and yung mga pumunta doon for the event. So, yeah, siguro lesson learned. If ever pupunta kayo ng Macau, make sure na agahan nyo. Especially if balak yung puntahan yung Taipa, tapos pupunta rin kayo ng Outer Macau. Consider nyo rin yung option ng ferry. I think mas mabilis ata siya. Mga 45 minutes nandun na kayo. Kasi kung halimbawa magbabas kayo, yung biyahe nyo papuntang HZMB, mga around nasa 30 minutes. Depende pa yan if saan kayo manggagaling. Tapos mag-immigration pa kayo. Tapos sasakay kayo ng bus ulit papunta na ng Macau. HZMB. So, that's another, sige, let's say yung immigration nasa 30 minutes siya. Tapos, papunta naman by bus, mga nasa 30 to 45 minutes din. So, yun. Medyo mahaba din talaga siya. Although, mas mura definitely yung bus compared naman sa mga ferry. If ever magpa-purchase kayo ng ferry, guys, try nyo na lang mag-check sa Klook. Tapos, pwede nyo gamitin doon yung discount code ko na Luisa Klook para makamura pa kayo. So, yung bus ata, mga nasa around, if i-convert siya sa Philippine money, mga nasa 400 plus. Ilagay ko na lang dito yung exact kasi GoTime card naman yung ginagamit ko na pang pay. So, dun ko na lang titingnan lahat kung magkano talaga yung naging total lang na gastos ko for the transport and food itself. So, yun, matutulog na kami siguro kahit mga 3 hours sleep lang kasi kailangan sulitin na namin yung few hours namin dito sa Hong Kong kasi mamaya babalik na kami ng Pilipinas. So, good night! Good morning, Hong Kong! So, yeah guys, this is our last couple of hours dito sa Hong Kong and it's currently 8 AM and papunta na kami sa may MTR kasi we are going to Nanlian Garden. So, sa Diamond Hill kami. Yun muna yung itinerary namin for the morning. Tapos, doon na lang kami maghahanap ng breakfast place. So, let's go! Now we're going to Diamond Hill, guys. Ayan. Let's go. Exit dito lang kami, guys, kasi papunta tayo ng Nanlian Garden. Right. Okay, dito tayo. We're finally here sa Nanlian Garden. Ayan, ang ganda. It's so serene here. And wala siyang entrance fee. Kaya isama nyo to sa itinerary nyo. Kasi at least kahit paano, even if yung ibang tours yung mahal, at least meron kayo mapuntahan ng mga ganitong places na walang entrance fee. Isama nyo na to. Malapit lang din naman siya. Let's explore the area. Sarap dito guys paglakad-lakad sa umaga. Walang alam kung pwede dito yung drinks or food. So, yeah.
guys, there's the Golden Pagoda sana. And meron sana dyang water Ferris wheel. Kaso mukhang under construction siya ngayon. Kaya ayun, hindi tayo makakapasok. Yun pa naman yung pinaka-highlight sana ng garden na to. Maganda sana dyan sa loob based sa mga vlogs na napanood ko. But yeah, still kahit hindi naman tayo makapasok dyan, maganda din talaga dito guys. Especially kapag siguro afternoon and morning. Ayun, masarap dito maglakad-lakad. Tapos fresh din yung air dito, diba? Ayan, chill lang. Maraming mga locals din na mga naglalakad-lakad dito.
Oo, parang na may traffic light dito. Tapos doon, diretso. Okay.
Oh, no. We're here. Kahit take out na lang. Guys, we're finally here sa bake house dito sa may TST. Grabe ang haba ng pila. Yun yung shop doon sa point na yun. Pero based naman doon sa Google reviews na nakita ko, I mean sa Google Maps reviews, although mahaba yung queue niya, pero mabilis lang din naman. So hopefully lahat sila take out. So ganun na lang siguro gagawin ko. We'll just take it away. Yun. Order. We're done sa bake house. Kaso, yung sourdough nila na tart is sold out na. So, parang 2:30 PM pa siya magkakaroon ng available. And hindi na kami available by that time kasi kailangan na namin pumunta ng airport. So, yung bumili na din kami ng pastries na lang din. Pero, siguro let's say if may mabibilan akong tart somewhere, siguro bago umalis. We're here at Cafe de Coral, guys. May Chongqing Mansion ata sa taas. Parang okay tong 40 Parang marami. Here's our brunch, guys. Ayan. This is the rice with barbecue pork combo. Tapos umorder ako ng coffee worth 14 Hong Kong dollars. Ayan. Looks yum. Let's eat. Let's try this first. Yung masarap pa.
Wala, sana na yung mission.
Punta doon sa kabilang side. Guys, update. So, 1 PM now. We're finally here sa my ladies market. So, ayan. Medyo mahabang street to. Punta doon. So, yun. Then, here. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo mamili ng maleta, dito kayo mamili. Ang gaganda din, in fairness. Ayan. Wow. Also guys, if bibili pala kayo dito sa may Sneakers Market, make sure na makipag-bargain kayo sa mga sellers. Much as possible, go with half price na. Para at least kapag pumayag sila, sok na yung price sa inyo. And sometimes, sabi nila is pwede ka nilang habulin para mag-agree sila doon sa price na binigay mo. Okay, sige, let's explore muna yung Ladies Market. Ganda ng white. Hello! May mga bags din sila dito guys ng mga biniganta. Ayan. Labugbog. Labugbog be. Labugbog. Cutie pie. How much? Oo, diba? Very tita na talaga ang person. Hong Kong tour bus. Kaya hindi pa kayo nakabili ng mga headbands sa Disneyland, punta kayo dito kasi mas mura siya compared to buying sa Disneyland itself. Ayan. Meron pa akong 20, 30. 30 pa. Thank you. We are now at Sneaker Street, guys. Ayan. Maraming mga definitely bentahan ng shoes dito. Wow.
10% off.
Oh, 10% off. All items? PM na nasa bus 8:21 na kami papuntang airport. So, sana hindi kami matraffic at makarating agad kasi 5:30 yung flight namin. Diba? Good luck naman talaga. See you sa airport. All good na, nakapag-check-in na kami and backdraft. So, mag-alat kayo ng at least 3 hours siguro before yung flight nyo. Punta na kayo dito sa airport. In case lang meron kayong mga emergency na kailangan yung ayusin doon sa counter pag flight nyo na pabalik ng Manila. So, 4:40 yung boarding namin and papasok na kami ng immigration. We're at gate 217, guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Hanggang 5:30 yung gates nila. We have to board the train. Dito tayo, Ben. For gate 217. The passport is in my bag. Where's our passport? It's in our bag. Are you ready to leave Hong Kong?
What? Oh, yeah.
Ah.
And the luggage.
And the lots of walking.
Dear passengers, may we have your attention to the safety and while leaving. Ensure electronic devices are switched off or set to airplane mode.
And that concludes our Hong Kong trip, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you on the next travel vlog. Bye!